Welcome to our washing machine showdown. Today, we are comparing two popular portable washing machines, the COMFEE 1.6 CUFT Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and pricing to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the COMFEE offers a larger load of 11 pounds, making it suitable for more extensive laundry needs. In contrast, the Portable Small Washing Machine has a capacity of 13 Ls, which is ideal for smaller, delicate items. This difference could be crucial depending on your laundry requirements. The COMFEE is a fully automatic washing machine with 6 different wash programs, making it versatile for various fabric types. On the other hand, the Portable Small Washing Machine is more basic and may require manual operation, which could be a consideration for those looking for convenience. Price is always a significant factor. The COMFEE comes with a price tag of $329, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Portable Small Washing Machine is much more affordable at just $59, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. In conclusion, both the COMFEE.6 CUFT Portable Washer and the Portable Small Washing Machine have their strengths. If you need a larger capacity and advanced features, the COMFEE is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a compact, budget-friendly option for small loads, the Portable Small Washing Machine is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.